how are you? Today we're going to make mushroom risotto, which is one of my favourite dishes. It's very easy to make because it's all made in one big pot, but the only thing is that you can't leave it and go off and do something else. You need to stay with it the whole time, and that's about 40 minutes. Okay, so bear with us. First of all, what we're going to do is wash our hands to be nice and clean, and for the ingredients I'll tell you about those in a bit, show you some photos, but you will need to wash your basil leaves and mushrooms. You need to wash those, get the bits of dirt off, that kind of thing. Okay, so that's the food hygiene for you. Okay, so next up is pictures of all the ingredients.